What is going on, everybody? My name is Miles. Thanks for dropping by the channel. I've got a quick sound clip for you right here. This is my 2021 Lowrider S. I've got the Bassani Road Rage 3 2-in-1 exhaust. We're about to take a listen to it. This bike also has the Screamin 462 horsepower cam in it, so keep that in mind when listening to this video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead, give me a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I put out content frequently. Check out some of my other videos and enjoy the sound clip.